Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited because I'm going to teach you one of my favorite recipes that I've been making over the years that has helped me stay on track, especially for breakfast or brunch, or breakfast for dinner, or as a snack, or after a workout. And that is my banana blueberry waffles. Okay, basically 4 ingredients. Depending on if you want to add other things to it, you can. All right, so let's get started. I'm using my little mini waffle irons that I've already sprayed. Okay, any cooking spray you want or whatever you want to use, because we don't want stickage. The first thing I'm using is a 1/2 cup of egg whites. Okay, I love egg whites. And I have this blueberry syrup. Now, don't worry if you don't have blueberry syrup, you can just use about a tablespoon. You can use some vanilla. I'm sprinkling in just a drop of cinnamon. And I'm using, I love the Flourish Buttermilk Protein Pancake and Waffle Mix because it's really high in proteins and so delicious. 23 grams, that's for a 1/2 cup, but I'm using a 1/3 cup. Actually, I'm going to just stir this around. You're going to get a nice blue color, but again, you don't have to use the syrup if you don't want to. And I just stir that around, okay? And now, like, this is so quick and easy. I'm going to use about a 1/3 cup of bananas. Again, you want to use a 1/2 cup or more. That's up to you. And I'm using a 1/2 cup of blueberries. And like I said, if you want to use more, you can use more. And then I'm just going to stir this around. And it is an amazing, perfect consistency. Okay. Now, if you don't have that waffle mix, also, you can use different waffle mixes. There's the Kodiak, and then there's other ones that you can buy that are high protein. But I have to say that Flourish is my favorite, and I don't work or sell Flourish, but I do promote it. And then I'm just going to add this to my hot skillets. I love them, and it only takes a few minutes to cook, so you don't want to open it up. You want it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can check. And then I'm going to show you. So here they are, and I have one more that's just finished cooking, my cute little heart-shaped one. And I got 7 beautiful waffles using a 1/3 cup of Flourish, a 1/2 cup of egg whites, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of some blueberry syrup, that's up to you, and of course some banana and blueberries. Now, afterwards, I like to either add some Cool Whip or some sugar-free whipped cream, or even some Greek yogurt, which is super delicious, and they are going to be amazing. So I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. So quick, so easy. You know, if you want to add some chocolate chips, if you want to add some coconut, you want to add other fruit, you can also make some of my sauces to put on top, a really nice blueberry sauce, or you could make a strawberry sauce, or any kind, frankly, any kind of fruit, all right? So remember, it's versatile, all right? And oh my God, I can't wait to eat these. I wish you were here to smell them. And I love this because I love waffles, and these are high protein, super delicious, so quick to make. You can freeze them. You can reheat them in the microwave or in the oven if you want to crisp them up. All right, you can have them with sugar-free ice cream or frozen yogurt, of course, you know, so jam. It's endless, all right? So don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think. And of course, comment and share my YouTube channel. All right, love you guys. Enjoy. Oh, and keep them in the fridge or the freezer. I would say up to about 4 or 5 days in the fridge. And in the freezer, they should last, all right? So take care. Bye for now.